How to check running processes on the system? To check the running process, we will use ps command, and with its switches, different switches. Let's say we will use ps minus ef. It will show us all the running process on the system along with their PIDs. Now if we want to check the some processes owned by a specific user, then we will use ps minus u and then username, let's say ak. It will show us all that processing. Now if we want to check uh, some processes and their sub processes or child processes, then we will use ps command minus ejh. It will show us the parent process and its child process here. Now if we want to scroll up, here it show us the child process and the parent process.